Hey, welcome back, beautiful Sagittarius. Thank you so much for joining me here. This is your bonus reading, Sagittarius. Now I want to see what Spirit has for you. Sagittarius, this deck's calling me. Sagittarius. Messages for Sagittarius. One more, guys. Sagittarius, please and thank you. Saturn returns. What up? Somebody's getting some karma. Facing the truth. What the hell's going on? A shocking event. Someone got a bolt of lightning here. What the hell? This is a wake-up call. Holy shit, tempers are flying. What's going on? Look. Divine Feminine, ripe time. Washing away sorrow. Fun, fertility, healing, growth, manifestations. Lord have mercy. Oh, somebody's having an affair here, but they're getting... It's saying, pay your dues. It's time to grow up. Clear the past. Face the truth. Somebody's being stripped down. This is an affair. The other woman. The other man. Shame. Envy. Revenge. They're being stripped down, Sagittarius. Oh, what's going on? Well, you've got the light bulb moment here. Someone is PO'd. They're being stripped down. Secret, obsessive, jealous. Quiet now. Holy Jesus. Spirit ain't messing around here with these energies. It's because of these love affairs. It's because of these love affairs. Someone is so jealous, so envious. This person is having some affair or something like this. These are romantic affairs. Holy God. What the hell? They're being stripped down. I didn't even ask for their information, but it's sure coming through. Whoa! Yike! Whoa! 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 Being stripped down to give them a wake-up call. What the hell? Well, the way it's looking is they were wishing this crap on you. They were wishing this ill will on you. So Spirit's like, oh, no, 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 no. No, no, fair is fair here. Holy God. It's like being stripped to the bare bones here. Because they were wishing that on you. Someone was. Someone so jealous, so envious, so... these people this person's had affairs with or something like that. This is justice. Spirit saying. You're over here. They could have been wishing death upon you. All the things that these people have been wishing on you is happening to them. I don't get it. Spirit's doing this. Somebody wishing this upon you. I don't know, but look, you've been nothing but respectful here. You're being blessed. These are blessings of the universe. The universe is doing this. Okay. Affairs. No. They can keep their options. Spirit's saying this is karma for you. Look, you're getting 10 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles. Jesus, Sag. People were after you, man. Holy God. Jesus, I can't tell you how much karma's here. Ooh. You reap what you sow. Whoever this person is, paying people to spy on you? Fuck. Be open to new experiences. This is an energy, Sagittarius, you want to stay away from. Keep moving forward, man. There's brighter days ahead, Sagittarius. Holy God. This person's being stripped down. Whoever was holding a grudge against you, making up lies, cheating, jealousy, envy, holy frick. Oh my God, sudden changes, sudden changes. Sag. Oh my God. Freaking attacks at you. People coming at you, but there's somebody warding off these. It's like you're standing your ground. You're not backing down, Sagittarius. You're not gonna back down. What the hell? It's like someone warding off attacks. Revenge. Jesus Christ. I'm sure glad you're over here, Sagittarius. I wouldn't want to be them, whatever that is. I would not want to be them. It's like the things that they were wishing upon you is happening to them. Like fast changes. It's like you're doing okay here, Sagittarius. Like you're doing good. Holy shit. This gotta be the year of karma or something. That's like karma 3-4 times in this read. It's like this is fast pace karma. Fast. There's all kinds of affairs going on over here. It's like people being stripped down. That's what Spirit's saying. Stripping down. But it's looking like you've cut out a bunch of people from your life. Like you could have done like a strip down, like taking negative people out of your life, people wishing bad upon you, gossips, rumor mongers, like. But that's happening over here. They're being stripped down. Things being taken from them because they've been wishing ill will on you, Sagittarius. Jealousy, envy, every dirty, rotten little trick in the book here. Karma. Poof. I'm telling you. So they were trying to cause that for you, Sag. Well, I'm staying out of it. Saying your life story hasn't unfolded yet. Just stay out of trouble. Sagittarius, stay out of trouble. Maybe that's why I stay alone. I really can't get in like too much trouble. I don't have anyone in my life. It's not true. I've just had to. I've had to eliminate a lot of people from my life. I've had to. That's what happens when you're on your North Node. Your life purpose, I guess. I don't know. Couldn't tell you, Sag. It's like... It's like they wanted to see you stripped down with nothing. They wanted wishing that you had nothing, or wishing that you'd be stripped down to nothing. But that's what's going to happen to them. I don't know why people wish that stuff, because what you wish put out there comes back to you. Like, people to do that are crazy to do that. Maybe some people don't know how karma works. I'm not sure. But they should not be doing that unless they would like that to happen to them. Take care, Sagittarius.